This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Juke. This crossover has a continuously variable transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, front multi-stage airbags, child seat safety anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Every Sheehy Select used vehicle comes with a 3-day money-back guarantee, 60-day 2,000-mile warranty, passes a state inspection and our 175-point inspection system, and comes with a Carfax vehicle report.